There's one more all-important fact. If you need help on anything, you don't have to wait till Tuesday. I am available at 7:30 p.m. on Twitch all school days, Monday through Friday. And for the first 6 weeks of the semester, I even have one on Saturday, but that's only going to be part of the semester. So I'm teaching from Monday through Friday, and all my classes are supposed to be 3 hours long, but I only use the first hour and a half for the official class material, and then I answer questions. So you can join this Twitch channel any weekday and talk to me, let me know if you have trouble. And at 7:30, I open Zoom, and then you can share your screen, which is a big deal because, people get stuck, and it's usually very difficult to fix any problems if I can't see your screen. So don't be lost and unhappy or helpless. If you can't get into Canvas, or you can't figure out how to turn in something, or you're confused about anything, please contact me any of these times live. This is by far the best way to reach me. That's what I wanted to tell you. Let me stop this.